Geotechnical services in Noida Sector 50. PHP are essential for any construction project in the area. These services involve the analysis and evaluation of the soil and ground conditions to determine their suitability for construction purposes. The geotechnical engineers in Noida Sector 50. PHP use various techniques and equipment to gather data about the soil composition, density, and stability. This information is then used to develop a comprehensive understanding of the ground conditions and to design appropriate foundations and structures. One of the key aspects of geotechnical services in Noida Sector 50. PHP is the Scon design. Scon stands for soil cement column, which is a ground improvement technique used to strengthen weak or unstable soils. The Scon design involves the installation of cement columns into the ground at regular intervals. These columns are created by mixing cement with the existing soil, resulting in a stronger and more stable foundation. The Scon design is particularly useful in areas where the soil is prone to settlement or liquefaction. It helps to increase the load-bearing capacity of the soil and reduce the risk of structural damage. Geotechnical services in Noida Sector 50. PHP often include a detailed analysis of the soil conditions to determine the appropriate spacing and depth of the Scon columns. This ensures that the ground improvement technique is effective in addressing the specific challenges posed by the site. In addition to the Scon design, geotechnical services in Noida Sector 50. PHP also include other aspects such as slope stability analysis, soil testing, and foundation design. These services are crucial for ensuring the safety and stability of any construction project. By understanding the properties and behavior of the soil, geotechnical engineers can make informed decisions about foundation types, excavation depths, and other design considerations. Sector 50 in Noida offers geotechnical services. PHP are necessary for any nearby construction activity. These services entail analyzing and assessing the soil and ground conditions to decide whether they are suitable for construction. The Sector 50 geotechnical engineers in Noida. To acquire information regarding the soil's composition, density, and stability, PHP employ a variety of methods and tools. The ground conditions are then thoroughly understood using this knowledge, and suitable foundations and buildings are subsequently designed. One of the most important features of geotechnical services in Sector 50 of Noida. The Scon design is PHP. The ground improvement method known as Scon, or soil cement column, is used to strengthen brittle or unstable soils. In the Scon design, cement columns are inserted into the ground at regular intervals. By combining cement with the existing dirt to form these columns, a stronger and more secure foundation